cap. Smells good. Cheers.
Music fans here tonight? Well, you know, life is bright. Cold beer on Friday night. The pair of jeans fit just right. And the radio. Where peaches grow. My house is the lost to talk about. It's filled with grown southern ground. Ain't a little bit chicken. Cold beer on a Friday night. Everything that's just right. The radio I see the sunrise. See the love in a woman's eyes. Feel the touch of a precious child. For the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. And salute the ones that die. Don't you get their life, so we don't have to sacrifice all the things we love, like our chick pie. Keep you satisfied. I just want to let you know you're out. It's nice that I feel welcome inside. And I've got a window to the jukebox and my new home has a flashing
So y'all, to think that barbecue place on a cruise ship would be one of my favorite places. This is ridiculous. And we've got a nice little band there. Little George Strait. I mean, I could sit here all night. Wow. This is the new place on NCL called Q.
I just want to dance with you. I want to dance with you. Twirl you all around the floor. That's what they intended dancing for. I just want to dance with you. She just talks about the good times and no good times. She's way she don't understand. 13 drops of laughter passed through the world lately. She's a good-hearted woman, love, good time rain.
So the middle is gooey. It's either been sitting. This is super hard. Yeah. So the middle underneath the ice cream is good and gooey. But sadly, this is so hard. Can't even get my fork, maybe. Wow. Oh, I wanted to love it. Okay. Everything else was really good. I'm not saying it's not good to eat. It's just, it's a lot that you can't get to. Okay, so I was able to get it up under and then just kind of pull up and then back under. And now it opens up. So it just takes a little bit of work.